Hello everyone. I hope you are doing good. My name is Adonijah Kiplimo. I'm a trainer at Cyber Shuja. And in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to get started and navigate through TryHackme. So, so TryHackme is basically the platform where you will use it in some of the tasks that you'll be given uh, throughout the program. So for you to get started with TryHackme, you go to your browser and just type tryhackme.com, and this page will load up in your browser. So basically this video is I'm going to show you how to sign up, log into TryHackme, get started with how to search for modules or rooms, and also how to get connected to the VPN and how to test that you are connected to VPN. So with that, I'm just going to start off with the sign up page, or signing up with this to TryHackme. So you click on the join free, and I'm going to type my username here that I'm going to use on my account. So in your case now, you're going to type the username that you're going to use in your account, and then the email address that you're going to use. Plus the password. The password should be strong. And then you solve this captcha here. So, okay, let me just redo that. Then we type your email address. Uh, and then the password here. We solve this captcha. So after that, you'll be redirected to the onboarding page, where you will be asked some few questions for TryHackme to recommend some parts for you to learn. So with this, I'm just going to continue quickly with this. Uh, so you just choose the ones that suits you. So uh, let's see this. So I'm just going with random. It doesn't matter. You can just choose the one that you want to choose here. It doesn't matter, because the rooms that we are that you are going to search for the rooms that you are going to use to learn in this. So don't worry about maybe the what you're supposed to learn here, or what you're supposed to do there. So you see, after you finish that, it will recommend for you a learning path. So you can view path or start learning. So we can just click on view path. Yeah, so and you'll start learning through all those or after you've now click on the path. So that was the sign up and the login. So so you'll be logging in with the password that you set up in the sign up page. So let it load up. So when you've signed up and loaded your page and logged in, you will be redirected to the dashboard. So in the dashboard, you'll be seeing the rooms which you've enrolled or which you've logged in, your learning, which is now the current learning or recent or the saved learnings. So that's what you are going to see in the dashboard. But before we do that, let's just verify our email address. So to verify that, you click on the link here to verify your email, and then you come to your email address, the one that you used to sign up. So let's just wait for email to load in. Yes, so we see the verify email here. So you can click on this. Loading. Okay. So you click on this link here to verify our email address. So when you click on that, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. But now it should verify our email address. So it's still asking us to verify our email, but now because I use the link, this verify my email button sometimes has issues. So let's use the link to verify our email address. So on using the link, it should work, or it should verify our email address. It's still working. I don't know the reason. So let's try resending the email address. This one here. Let's use this link here to try verifying it. So I clicked on a different link, but this is now, yeah. So the status is success. So that should work. That should basically tell us that our email has been verified. Yeah, your account has been verified, as you can see here. So your account should be verified for you to proceed. So that is basically how to log in, to sign up and log in and to verify your email address. So now, how are we going now to search for modules in this, or rooms in this TryHackme? So you come to search here, and then you scroll down. So you can search on learning paths, you can search on modules, you can search on rooms, you can search on networks, and all those. So so for us now, we're going just to search on all, because all now is going to go through all the learning paths, modules, and rooms, and gives us the results depending on the query which you have queried it. So here, let's try or search, for example, DNS. So DNS is domain name system. So if you want a room in DNS, we're just going to search it, and here it is. So DNS in detail. So when you scroll down, and in TryHackme, for you to start working on a room or tasks in a room, you need to join the room first. So you click on this button here, join room button. After you've clicked that, you'll be able to join the room, and you'll be able to see the room progress here. So the room progress is 0, 0. So, and in each and every room, there are tasks which are supposed to fill or to start off for you to finish it. So you should finish these rooms for you to get the badge, or the badge which you can share. So so these are the tasks in the room. What is DNS? Task 1, task 2, which is domain hierarchy, task 3, record types, task 4, making a request, task 5, which is a practical. So these are all the tasks in a room. So each and every room has its own tasks, and each task has some questions that need you to answer, or some practical that needs you to do. So for example, in the first question here, what is DNS, or what does DNS stands for? So DNS stands for domain. Let me just type domain name system. And if we click enter, it's going to tell us that that answer is correct. So your answer is correct. So if your answer is correct, you'll be able, or you'll get this pop-up here that tells you your answer is correct. Then now you're going to proceed to the next questions, and following, and all those, and as you proceed. So that is basically how a room looks like, and when you answer questions in a room, as you remember when we started this room, it was 0% and now it is 7%. So that is basically how you can navigate or get started in a room, uh, answering questions in a room, how to answer them, and the progress, and how to join a room. So that's basically it. So now, so in TryHackme as well, there are some rooms or some rooms or some questions or tasks that you are being required to assess TryHackme rooms. So, and TryHackme rooms, for you to assess them, you must have, or you must get connected to the TryHackme network. And for you to get connected to the network of TryHackme that has those machines, you need to use a VPN. And that VPN now is going to allow you to get access to those machines and get connected to those machines and now get to work with them, or to get to answer questions that relates to those questions in the in the rooms in rooms. So in that case, so for you to get started, you need to get VPN for you to get access. So, and for you to download a VPN, you come to your dashboard here. Just click on dashboard for you to refresh the page, and then click on this profile here. So don't view your profile, don't manage, just click on access. You see the access here? So your profile is on the right-hand side, top right-hand side. So you click on that, you click on access. So when you click on access, you'll be redirected to a page that has access via OpenVPN. So you're being told you have to access machines, you need to connect to our network. So our network in this case is TryHackme's network. So for you to get access to that, you need to connect to for you to get access to the machines, you need to connect to their network. So for you to connect to their network, you must have their VPN. So and you see here, we have a VPN server name, we have a server status, we have connection. So connection, we are not connected yet because we have not connected to the network. So, and we have an internal virtual match IP, which you will get after now connecting to the network. Sorry. So what we do, so, and you see VPN servers, you can change the locations. You can go to EU regular 1, EU regular 2, regular 4, 3, and also US West regular 1, US East, EU regular, and also IN regular. So you just download the file here, configuration file. So configuration file is a file that has .ovpn extension. But now I'm seeing the file here is not coming up well. So what I will do, I'll go to my downloads folder and remove that file first, and then re-download it. So I've removed that file, and then I will, that is not working because the file should have some bytes. You see here, I've downloaded it, it has 0 bytes. So meaning we need to choose a different location for us to get access to that. So I'm going to choose a different location. Let's try US regular 2 and try downloading it. So when I download that, yes, this is working now. So you see, we have some files here, some, some size of the file. So you see the previous one we downloaded was 0 bytes, as you can see here, it is 0 bytes. But now that means that file did not download it. I don't know why, because maybe the server location is not, it's having issues. But now the one that we've downloaded now is completed and it has 8.1 KB. So that means that is a good, it's a good file, or it's going to allow us to connect. So the reason as to I'm saying the ones that have 0 bytes are not working, because I've tried it severally. So when you download it and you're seeing it has 0 bytes, when you go to try to connect it, will give you an error that file doesn't have it doesn't have some configurations for it to work. It's actually an empty file. So you come to your terminal because you've downloaded the file. So I'm going to just show you quickly here. Let me just maximize this. So in your download folder, you see we have now Adonijah01.0 So if you download a VPN, it comes with the username that you set it on your TryHackme account. As you remember, we set up Adonijah01 as our username when you are signing up. So that the VPN now that we're downloading will have adonijah01.ovpn. So it takes our username and adds an extension .ovpn. So with that, we are now going to connect to that VPN to allow us get access to TryHackme machines. So to connect to that, we are going to use sudo open VPN and then the file name, which is adonijah01.ovpn. Then you just hit enter and then type your password. So that is going to take, it's going to validate the certificate, and it should allow us to get connected. It's taking time, I don't know why, but it should allow us to get connected. Let me restart this and I see it's going to work. So it seems we are having issues with this server here. Okay, let me try refreshing this to see if we are really connected to their internet, their servers. So you see, if I try refreshing, it's not getting the email address. It's not getting the address, or it's not getting the server, but it's not getting connected. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this file here and re-download a new one. So with different location now. So I'm going to remove that file and come back to our interface here and download now. Let's download US West 1 regular, this one. And then we download it. So when we download that file, we come back to our terminal and we ls, need to clear this, and then sudo open VPN adonijah01.ovpn. So yeah, this is now working. So as you can see, it has initialization sequence completed, meaning that we have connected to the VPN. So with that, after that, you should be able to get connected or get access to the machines. So I'm going to come back here and refresh this to see if we've really connected to the machine. So yes, so this is not working. So, but now there is another way for you to verify that you've actually connected to their machine or to the TryHackme network. So at some point, or for some reason, the connection status here, I don't know why it is not connected, but there is another way for us to verify that you've actually connected to TryHackme network. So I'm going to show you that. So you come to learn, and then you come to search. You search on a room. So there's a room called tutorial. That room is going to help us, help us know that we've really connected to the network. If the status on their website is not working. So tutorial, you just type tutorial and then you hit enter. So when you do that, you click this. So after that, okay, this is okay, next, that's okay. So you will have first to join the room for you to proceed or for you to get started. So we are going to join the room here. So I'm just going to click down here and then I join the room. So joining the room will help me navigate to that. So now, so I've joined the room and then we're going to start this machine. So this machine is going to help us help us know if we are connected to their network. So it's a test machine and it's going to take 1 minute for us to get the IP. So we'll just wait for that 1 minute for us to get the IP of the machine. So that's another way to verify that you are connected. So, but in your side, if you refreshed and you checked that you are connected, then it's okay. You don't have to come back and verify with this room here. But because it didn't work, you can use this alternative to verify that you've actually connected to the network before proceeding to solve the machines or the tasks that you are supposed to do. So let's just wait for for that to finish, and then we will proceed. So 15 seconds remaining, and then I'm going to show you how that is going to work. So we're going to take the IP address that is going to be shown here and just paste it on our browser. So if the browser, it's going to tell us that we are connected to the TryHackme network. So I'm going to copy this IP and open a new tab and then paste the IP there. So if I paste that IP there, it should be able to help us, or it should be able to tell us that we actually connected to the network. So let me just try this. Then let's wait and see. Okay, I think the machine is still powering up. Let's give it some more time for it to finish loading. So you just need to give more time the machine to load up. You give like 5 minutes to 6 minutes, the machine 5 to 6 minutes the machine to boot or to load up for you to get started. So I've said you just copy this IP address here and you paste it on your browser tab. So, and then you click enter. And with that, you'll be able to, like it's going to tell you can now access TryHackme machines. Yes, so you're going to, this means now that you have been connected to TryHackme network. So that's basically it. That is how to navigate TryHackme, get access, login, sign up, login, search for rooms, and also get connected to the VPN. Get connected to the VPN or access their machines through the VPN. So we can access this machine basically because we've now connected to their VPN and the VPN is running here. So, and don't close this tab of this this tab of this terminal tab. So if you want to do other things in the terminal, just click on the file name and then new tab. Don't close the tab that runs the file, that runs the configuration file, please, because that will make you now get disconnected from their machines. So just leave the tab running and click on new tab, click on the file here and open a new tab for you to proceed. And that is how to now get started and proceed with TryHackme. I hope this video helps you to helps you to smoothly navigate TryHackme and assess their machines and solve the tasks that you are required to do. Thank you.